The new Tucson comes with more advanced technology to give you maximum safety and reliability in every situation. As standard across the range, you'll get a package of class-leading safety features, including electronic stability program, autonomous emergency braking, emergency stop signal, hill start assist, and downhill brake control, which allows you to slow down when going down a steep hill without using the brake, which lets you focus on steering. It also has lane keeping assist, which adjusts your position to keep you safely between the white lines should you start drifting, unless you're indicating. If you upgrade to premium and above, you'll find even more features, including blind spot detection, which tells you if there's something in your blind spot when signaling, and rear cross traffic alert, which tells you if there's something behind you when you're reversing. There's also a newly developed surround view monitor, giving you a 360-degree view of the car from a bird's eye view, making reversing safer and easier. And you can put your mind further at ease with Hyundai's 5-year unlimited mileage warranty.